Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Nice, man. Did you do all the work? Yeah. Well, this is very nice. I see you've done a lot of gutting. Does that help you get louder and stop some of the flex?
It's just temporary at the moment. I have three-quarter people in here.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Prep work. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna rip all this deadener and everything out and fill gaps.
Okay.
It's gonna be a B-pillar up to like right here. Kind of how the seats are laid back comfortably.
Okay.
It's gonna be 215s and a 6 under.
Sweet.
On roughly 10K.
Okay. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is Joseph Donaldson, and right now there's 2 V9 12s on a 3K, and roughly 145.
Okay. Is this wired at 1 ohm?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And there's roughly 1,000 watts in mids and highs.
This one. All right. Awesome. Is there a way I can see the box and the port?
Yeah.
Sweet. I'd love to see it all. Thank you for the demo, man. Sweet.
touch the sky.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.